Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Smile morning, everyone. So I'm waiting for a few participants. We will start our class after 2 minutes.
Smile morning, ma'am. Lovely hearing you.
Smile morning.
Smile morning, madam.
Smile morning, ma'am.
Smile morning, madam.
Smile morning, madam.
Smile morning, Miss Govinda.
Smile morning. Smile morning.
Smile morning, ma'am.
Smile morning. Smile morning. Smile morning. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Thank you. Smile morning.
Smile morning.
You are all looking very fresh and smiling.
Smile morning, ma'am.
Smile morning, fresh, joyful voices. So, waiting for some participants. Just 1 or 2 minutes we will start because I don't want them to miss. And also please take care that you mute your mics. Check.
Smile morning, madam.
Smile morning. Smile morning, everyone. Smile morning. So I'm waiting for all, just a moment. We'll wait for 1 minute. Okay, welcome, Smile Morning, and we can start our class now. So I request everyone for short, sometime you can, close your videos and later you can open, and also check your mic, because yes, be responsible, check your mics. Okay. Okay, Nandini, you can also close your video. Later you can open. Okay. So I'm very glad that you all are here and our Sunday routine continues, and we will try our best that we continue this journey until we all together reach grand perfection. So we are here to study, and because now these days we are focusing our mind and intellectual studies, doing lots of brain exercises. Everything is good actually, but at the same time, I want you to focus your smile meditation also. And then I have a plan. After I finish all these technical points of tri-origin, whatever we are studying now, and after that, again, we have to come back to our tri-origin smile meditation journey. Same pattern, same story like we did in 11 days, just same pattern, because that is the ultimate journey. And as I always say that intellectuality is also required in this field. But then we need to be very clear with our purpose. I always say you have to be very, very clear. From day one until now, you have to be very clear what is my purpose, what I'm studying. So if all these intellectual studies are helping your mind to expand, it is helping you to grow, then definitely this is good. So, but then don't forget your inner journey. So if I ask question, if I put up question in front of you, would you like to come back to the same journey? Like 11 days we started, just write in chat box. Hmm? Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes, that is very important, very important. So before I start that all those technical studies, again, I want you to focus this diagram. Yes, this is very famous diagram now in TriOrigin, you know this, and so many times you have made this diagram. So this diagram you should always keep in your mind, always keep in your mind. You see, when I say that from zero world, heterophores came out, and then after that homophores came out, and then neutrophores came out. When this heterophores came out, with heterophores mind particles came out, and with homophores body particle came out, and then with neutrophores life particle came out. But first particle which came out from zero world was soul particle. So all those studies we have done, you all know the story. But what I want to focus here in this moment, I want to focus the suffering point. What is suffering actually? What is suffering? You know that we have access in this journey, you know we have access. So this soul and life, this is called neutro and neutro axis, and this hetero and homo, this axis is called homo hetero axis. And as we understood that our inner world is composed of 99%. Don't forget this story. 99% is metaphysical part, and 1% is just physical. So now please understand that when we are talking about axis, then this neutro and neutro axis is 99% territory, and homo and hetero axis is just 1% territory. When we talk about suffering, suffering is on this level, mind and body level, either good or bad. So we are going above good and bad. Now, when you say that I'm feeling good, I am okay, my body is good, or my mind is good, this is also low territory, lower territory. We have to go beyond this territory. The moment you realize that I have a blessed mind, beautiful mind, and this blessed mind is helping me to grow more and more, then you can say that your mind particles have reached smile territory. In spite of having body problems, lot of problems, but still you feel that I have a blessed body in all situations. My body is wonderful. My body, each organ is good and smiling. Then it means that you have reached a body smile. So now we have good mind or good body. This moment we can say in our journey, yes, initially we had some pain in our mind level suffering, and then we had body level suffering. Now also all those situations are there, but now my mind is ascending and I can see now my mind is okay, or I say now my body is okay. This is good. This is one step ahead. Your consciousness is expanding, and now your this territory, this pain is reducing. But then you should not be satisfied with this also. You have to take your mind to this level, so that in this level, yes, in this level, you will always feel the higher level of your mind and higher level of your body, and which I say that blessed mind and blessed body. So now when patient comes to you, because now in group you are talking this disease or that disease, okay, but then I'm focusing, we are going towards formulas and protocols. Of course, yes, we are studying, and of course we should meet in physical world also, we should reach some conclusion that which protocol, which formula. But it means when you are talking about formulas and all these protocols, we are talking about this 1%. Please make sure that we are talking about this 1%. We are working very hard on 1%. And I want to tell you, if you don't open this channel, then until last moment of your life, you will continue working, but it will be a very hard task for you and for your patient. But at least for you, this you should convert this 1% to 99%. Without this 99%, this 1% will ask a lot of hard work from you. You finish your triagen studies and then you will feel that I need more. And then again, you want to study more. And maybe you will find yourself that you are landing up and you are studying different therapies and different theories. And again, you are not satisfied. Again, you are studying next. And then again, you are not satisfied. Then you are studying next. Because then this 1% can never give grand perfection. You study a lot until last moment of your breath, but this will never give you that kind of satisfaction. Of course, study, I don't say that you don't study, but then that study is if you have this realization, then all these local studies become a joyful journey. It is like just you are playing and you are understanding the universe, you are understanding the outer petals of this universe. So that after understanding this 1%, this technical and physical part studies become very interesting. But without this is not successful. Now, what is happening when you're doing treatment? Yes, it means we are in this level. Yes, but what is our purpose? After studying Tri-Origin Smile meditation, what do you understand? If we did not succeed in opening this neuto and neutro axis, then we cannot succeed on this level also. You see this neutro and neutro axis. Because of this, in 6 key, when we are studying constitution, if one axis is excessive, then it restricts the energy flow of another axis. Same is happening here. If this is excess, then energy flow here on this level, maybe it will be blocked or very less flow. So now mind suffering, lot of mind suffering, lot of body suffering. Okay. But then if you start focusing this axis, this 99% this power 99% will grow, will expand, and very naturally mind and body suffering will be dissolved. Because once this inner calmness is touched, once this axis is strengthened, then we don't need to focus protocols also. That is why it is so important when you are giving metaphysical healing to your patient. It is your mission, it should be your mission that you should take your patient inner journey towards calmness, towards soul smile. Open this gate, and once this gate is open, then mind suffering and body suffering will dissolve very naturally. You have to open this channel, open, because you see, mind, this is very difficult to handle mind. Sometimes very difficult to handle body, cancer, diabetes, psoriasis, many diseases, high blood pressure, and then mind, many mind level diseases. Yes, sometimes anxiety, sometimes anger. How to handle so big work, how to handle. Instead of handling all these two things, we start nourishing our roots. We take our journey inward and we give water to our roots. Smile meditation. As a beginner, we should do every day, but then we should do with a mission. With a mission. If we are writing smile morning in our WhatsApp group early morning, it helps us to understand that you are meditating. But now you don't need to write also, because this is inner journey, everyone. Now you are not telling, please mute your mic. I can hear paper, voice, pen, writing voice. So because this is your inner journey, no one is, because initially I pushed you that you should write, but now I want to tell you, because our mind is becoming very active, because now you are becoming mature. Initially I pushed you to write, but now you are becoming mature. You have to push yourself inside, not to show off, and not, we are not telling others that we are going inside. This is your inner journey. You are answerable to yourself. How much growth you want, according to the capacity of your inner opening, 99%, then according to your inner opening, according to the capacity of your inner world expanding, your mind and body suffering will decrease automatically. For example, coronavirus. Now, many people on this earth, some people are badly affected, and some people, they say that because of coronavirus, my life is changed. I have bloomed. Please mute your mic, please, I request. Everyone, please check mic. So, some people say that it has given me lots of opportunities, and I have started taking care of my health, and I'm good. I have now, good change in my life. And some people, they are suffering a lot. It means this virus is available for all, but how much it is touching you. This virus touching you, the level is different. Maybe touching other person, that level is different. So suffering level is different in each person. This virus is just an example. So you have to understand that suffering, this suffering is touching you. How much you are affected is decided how much your consciousness is open, your 99% is open. And many times I gave examples, sometimes pimple can give lot of suffering on the level of mind, because this channel is not open. And sometimes bigger disease like cancer cannot give suffering. It means again your channel is open. How you will judge? Because in this journey you are studying deep. Yes, and you say that I'm doing smile meditation every day, every day, every day, then how you will judge that you are ascending? All these suffering, body suffering, mind suffering, all those situations, yes, still there, but then how much you have expanded? Your consciousness, how much expanded? If your consciousness, if this neutral axis is opened and expanded, then you will find that these suffering or these events, it was this event, particular event, it was there, and now also it is here in present moment, but now it is not giving me suffering. Your knee pain today, of course, it will go. The moment you will start experiencing blessed body, blessed liver, I have a blessed, even you have knee pain, you say, I am so blessed, I have knee. My knee is so good. My body is so good. This is called blessed body. To have the sense, that blessed body sense and blessed mind sense. So now sometimes you say that I cannot meditate, I cannot meditate. But initial few days, some people will take 1 month, some people will take 2 months, some people will take 1 year, some people will take whole life. But if you are determined, then definitely very soon you will succeed. And once this channel opens, okay, then continue, it will ascend from 1, 2%, 3%, 5 opening, 10%, 15, 16, 20, 30, 70, 80, 90, like this, it will ascend, and then you will touch 99%. All saints, all our masters, ancient masters touched this. But they did effort. They did effort. We should do effort. And once this is opened, then from top view, when you see, you are smiling and you will love your mind and you will love your body. This is great enlightenment. So in patient also, when you are giving mudras and mantras, okay, you have to understand. Now, to reach 99%, you have to start from 1%. You have to start from 2%. So I always said, when you are giving this mudra, then you have to say those words which can help him to open his calmness. Initially, baby steps. Do say something. Tell him to close eyes, say something. If he's not ready for meditation, just speak logical words which will help us or which will help him to feel the calmness. Once he tastes this calmness and once you open this door, then second time he will listen to you also. And as soon this is expanding, and then next time again he will listen, and then he will accept whatever you are saying. And in that moment, if you say meditate, he will meditate also. And meditation, we are not focusing anything. We are just opening the calmness channel. And your purpose is, when you meet patient or if you're doing healing for yourself, open this channel. Every drop of calmness you collect from your participation in this beautiful events, it will matter a lot. Even now, when we are talking, or if we do meditation, 1 drop of calmness, if you have picked up from this event, this will matter a lot. This 1 drop, and you are collecting this drop, and finally this drop, all these multiple drops when collected, it will open your gate. So sometimes you don't know what to do in this difficult situation, but you are aware of this channel. Best part is, what is best part about you? That you are aware of this, that between good and bad, I have a hope, I have golden light, I have a hope, I have to open this. And if you don't have any solution, if you don't know what should I do, this is very difficult time, okay, maybe I'm suffering from coronavirus, or my body is weak, I'm not feeling healthy, or my body has problem, or my life situations are troubling me. What to do? I tried my best, I did hard work, lot of everything I did, but I did not succeed. It means don't do then extra effort out in outer world. Just sit, meditate, and every day just do baby steps. Help yourself to reach calmness. This one drop will open your wisdom from all solutions, and all beauties, all talents, all opportunities are coming if you open this 99 percentage, the biggest territory which is inside you. This biggest territory, this power has created this big universe, and also this power is operating this big universe. This power has created you also, and this power is operating you also. So then we should not have a doubt. We should not. Open this, push yourself, and then allow your this 99 percentage awareness of this and calmness. And then if this calmness will overlap your all good and bad. And finally, your life smile will appear. Though we are learning many things from this homo and hetero axis, this is actually upgrading us also. So it means if you are highly enlightened, I also want to convey one message. It does not mean that you will never have suffering in your life. Suffering comes to push your 99 percentage towards upward spiral. If you don't have suffering in your life, now I'm talking about some divine purpose of this suffering. If you don't have suffering in your life and you are in a relaxed position, you will never grow. Just eating, celebrating, and dancing with social smile, and no growth, no evolution, because you are satisfied, because you have achieved whatever you wanted. Only in your suffering time you evolve. Only in your suffering time you grow. So, but people, they don't understand. That is why instead of going up, they go down. So, what is your purpose? Because you know this orders, Triarjun orders, you know this 99 percentage, you are aware of this drawing, neutro and neutro axis. You have to open this axis so that this homo hetero, this becomes weak and surrenders in front of neutro and neutro axis. This territory is big. Open this channel, open this channel, open this channel. Meditate, meditate, meditate. Automatically you will find yourself that you are doing very good and correct actions in your life. You will find yourself that you are taking correct decisions in your life. Very naturally you will find that everything around you is becoming normal because of your correct actions and your correct thinking. Naturally, because this is very big divine territory. So when we are doing meditations from spiritual point of view, this is mind, soul, mind, body, life. As you know that we have these 4 layers. Okay. And in studying Triarjun, we are looking where is the problem on mind level, where is the problem on body level, and accordingly we rank and we go mind territory and body territory. But then now you understand your life. When we say personal life, now let's focus another dimension. Personal life, family life, social life, all these 4 lives are sitting here. Okay, now see on which axis? That is why if there is some situation in your personal life, family life, social life, internal spiritual life, it means it stops you to go up. So why we are focusing all the time, I focused life chapter so deeply I gave lot of importance to live chapters. Professor Park Jae-woo gave few examples, but then, because he used to teach many things, but then one simple sentence was enough to open our channels to help us to understand that why this is important. Initially, I never gave so much of importance to life. I always when I was teaching Triurgen, I was starting with body and lots of studies like we are doing these days, body and mind, just this, and then little bit glimpses of life, just small glimpse. But now I have understood this, that if we harmonize four lives, four life sectors, then automatically we will ascend, because only all those blockages and boundaries are coming from these sectors. Now you just check yourself. Personal life, you're not, no, don't focus mind and body. Just check your personal life. Scan your personal life, scan your family life, scan your social life, and scan your spiritual life. Why we are sick today? Either it is from personal life, this suffering particle waves are coming from personal or family or social. So this is so important, but we are not giving importance to this. So you have to awaken your wisdom and you should pay attention. And maybe next Sunday, maybe next time, once you study this, and we will study about, we will focus more on distant healing. Of course, some technical studies will also continue. I have to discuss many things. I have many plans for you. We have to discuss technical part, zone Sujoki. We have to discuss all those layer system, structure system, mind world, time acupuncture, many things. But then simultaneously, we need to grow. And now this time we need distant healing awareness more. So this distant, if you really want to activate your distant healing, open this channel. Only with this channel you can help. Not only this, you see, now I am pushing you to, do all protocols. Yes, how to go, this. We are studying all these very accurately. But then later maybe we are imagining that patient's hand. We don't need to do, you see, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, my mother, like this. We are not imagining. When our consciousness grow high, and then simple, this hand, for example, this hand is my mother-in-law hand. So on dummy hand, here we are not doing renting. We just need to know in this dummy hand, where is my mother-in-law's nervous system. So now this is left hand, but same right hand we can focus. So we are doing treatment on dummy hand as if this hand is my mother-in-law hand, and directly I am treating on her hand. You understand? So I will rent body, functional system, and this finger will open, and we didn't go family life. This we are holding mother-in-law hand, and this in this hand we are doing all treatment, tonification and sedation and inform, and because this is her hand now. You see, your treatment will become shortcut. But before this, you have to practice all these ways. This, because in your consciousness, you have to be aware. You have to be aware of all these pathways. You have to be aware of all these, connections. Because when you are holding your mother-in-law hand, you know all these pathways. This level we have to reach. It is shortcut treatment. Now also you can try. It is not that now you cannot try. Now also you can try. If person has any problem on the level of mind, so this is mind joint, you can create dummy hand on paper, or you can create some dummy hand and now start giving treatment. See smiling face of that person on this hand, because this is zero world. You remember we did STEM correspondence, if you remember. Okay, and new group, they will also study. They are listening this lecture from this live YouTube. They will also study. Now, old group, you know that we touch STEM correspondence system, and you can use that system when your consciousness is awakened. So this circle is zero world, and I told you that you can invite liver here, you can invite stomach here, you can invite kidney here, and you can do tonification and sedation. Now, can you do here? Can you see your mother-in-law face here? Or can you see your friend face here? This is your friend face. This is your brother face. The zero world has no, that separation. In zero world, everything came out from one point. So in zero world, we all are one. Even people staying outside India, America, and then different countries. Yes, they all are one in this zero world. We have to develop this consciousness. And I see my mother-in-law face, the patient, or unknown face. Unknown. Then we can invite just a picture, just a connection. We have to pick up some connection so that in the chain, so that we can feel the connection and we can invite her. And then we can go, oh, and then all the time in your consciousness, you are saying, this is my brother's mind. Okay, I am holding my brother's hand. And this is my brother's mind. And then we are doing tuck, 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 tuck. Accordingly, left hand or right hand you are choosing. Okay, so you have to practice this. You have to practice this. And then second thing is that you have to do for this practice, please find your good time. If you don't get time in the morning, yes, sometimes you miss. So just don't write in WhatsApp group because everyone is writing. So we are also writing. Now, pin drop silence. And the person who has started journey inner world towards 99% will become very calm, and then he or she they don't need to express outer that I am doing meditation. Okay, initially I said you should write, but now please, this is very strict rule for you, but smiling rule for you. Okay, and now I want to focus your further studies. So I'm sharing my presentation.